Capture the essence of the holidays with beauty you'll love. Join Rita and Cole for an Awaken Wonder holiday open house at True Spirit Studio. Marvel at stars of wonder. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Wrap up captivating fragrance. Festive finds for the fellows. Make spirit and skin bright. Holiday cheer is here. Holiday gift sets available for all. Knowing that your time is very valuable, I would like to make your holiday shopping as easy and stress-free as possible. Your coworkers, friends, and family, both male and female, will be delighted with the personal gift they receive from you during this holiday season. What's more exciting is you can make your selections in the price range you desire, starting as low as $10. All gifts will be beautifully wrapped and delivered to you at no extra charge, and will also include a certificate for a New Year, New You pampering session. You can choose from my body care, fragrance, color cosmetics, and anti-aging line. Shop with me and support a small business owner. You won't only be supporting a dream, you will also be supporting the environment. I look forward to hearing from you. Happy holidays.